Even a fool has at least one talent. If you try, you may succeed. If you don't try, you will not succeed. This is true for all things. Not succeeding is the result of not trying. When you reject gifts from heaven, you will be rewarded in hell. Vision without action is a dream. Action without vision is a nightmare. A broken mirror cannot be made to shine. Fall down 7 times, get up 8. What you love to do, you will learn to do well. The smallest good deed is better than the grandest good intention. Nothing so visible than what you want to hide. A doubtful mind creates devils in the dark. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. Beginning is easy, continuing is hard. Great men succeed in their later years. If a girl is in a relationship with 2 boys, she will soon lose her beauty. The tongue is but 3 inches long, yet it can kill a man 6 feet high. One who smiles rather than rages is always the stronger. Wherever you live, you come to love it. The day you decide to do it is your lucky day. When you do something wholeheartedly, you are not in need of helpers. All married women are not wives. Never rely on the glory of the morning nor the smiles of your mother-in-law. If there is love, smallpox scars are as pretty as dimples. Who travels for love finds 1,000 miles, not longer than one. In the eyes of a lover, a pockmarked face is one with pretty dimples.